So children, we will do this calculation. The question is, if it is noon at Delhi, what would be the local time in Brasilia? So in this question, we are supposed to know about Delhi's longitude. Understood? So here we will find, you are supposed to remember this particular number or figure about Delhi's longitude, that is 77 degree 10 minutes to east. Understood? Because we are situated in the eastern hemisphere. Now as we are supposed to calculate from noon, it is if it is noon at Delhi. So here we will write 12 noon. Understood? So Delhi longitude, this calculation this figure you are supposed to remember it. 77 degree 10 minutes to east. Understood? Now Brasilia longitude we are supposed to find out, and for this we are supposed to refer atlas or your map. Understood? So Brasilia longitude is 47 degree 88 minutes to west. Understood? So now we will add this 124 degree 98 minutes. Understood? Now this is the sum of these two longitude, Delhi as Brazil. Understood? So we have calculated this 124 degree 98 minutes. Understood? Now therefore 125 degree. Now children, we are supposed to take the round figure of this calculation, this answer. Understood? Round figure. The 125 approximately into 4 minutes for each longitude. Why 4 minutes? Because we know that every 15 degree or every जो भी ग्लोब है, सपोज लॉन्गिट्यूड जो है उसका डिफरेंस है ये 4 मिनट्स का है. ईच एंड एवरी लॉन्गिट्यूड, दैट इज द डिफरेंस इज ऑफ 4 मिनट्स. अंडरस्टूड? तो 4 डिग्री 4 मिनट्स, तो 4 मिनट्स फॉर ईच लॉन्गिट्यूड is equal to, if we'll calculate 125 approximately 125 degree into 4 minutes, you will have 500 minutes answer. That is, and now this minutes is supposed to be convert into hours, that is 8 hours 20 minutes. Understood? So we are supposed to convert this minute into hours. So this calculation you should know, that how to convert minutes into hours. So as India is in eastern hemisphere and Brazil in western hemisphere, so India is ahead. Understood? Always I told you that India is situated in eastern hemisphere, so it is ahead. So if it is 12 noon, so what you are supposed to do? 12 noon minus this minute conversion of this 500 minutes into hour, that is 8 hours 20 minutes. So we are supposed to minus 8 for 20 hours. Understood? So the answer will be 3 hours 40 minutes approximately. So the difference will be, hence the time will be 3 hours 40 minutes in Brasilia. Understood? So if it is 12 noon at Delhi, the time local time in Brasilia would be 3 hours 40 minutes. Understood? So this is how we are supposed to calculate. So like this we are supposed to do.